welcome back to our channel, where we share practical tips and tricks for a healthy lifestyle. In today's video, we're diving into the world of meal prepping and showing you how to meal prep like a pro. Meal prepping is an incredible way to save time, stay organized, and make healthier choices throughout the week. So, let's jump right in and become meal prep pros. Step 1. Plan your meals. Start by planning your meals for the week. Decide which recipes you want to prepare and make a detailed grocery list. This will help you stay focused and efficient while shopping. Step 2. Shop smart. When you hit the grocery store, stick to your list and avoid impulse buys. Choose fresh, seasonal ingredients and opt for versatile staples that can be used in multiple recipes. Step 3. Prep ingredients in advance. Once you're back home, it's time to prep your ingredients. Wash, chop, and portion out vegetables, fruits, and proteins. This will save you time during the week and make meal assembly a breeze. Step 4. Cook in bulk. Cook in bulk to maximize your meal prep efforts. Prepare larger portions of grains, proteins, and sauces that can be used in multiple dishes. This will save you cooking time and ensure you have delicious options ready to go. Step 5. Invest in quality meal prep containers. Invest in good quality, airtight meal prep containers. These will keep your meals fresh and help with portion control. Opt for containers that are stackable and microwave safe for convenience. Step 6. Portion and pack your meals. Portion out your cooked food into individual meal prep containers. Make sure to include a variety of proteins, vegetables, and grains in each container. Label them with the date for easy tracking. Step 7. Store and organize. Properly store and organize your meal prep containers in the refrigerator. Keep the containers with shorter shelf life ingredients towards the front for easy access and consumption. Step 8. Grab and go. Now comes the best part, enjoying the fruits of your labor. Grab your prepped meal from the fridge on busy days, and you'll have a healthy, homemade option ready to go. And there you have it, your guide to meal prepping like a pro. By following these steps, you can save time, reduce stress, and make healthier choices throughout the week. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Happy meal prepping!